Okay, welcome back. Sorry guys, part three. Next time I make sure I renew my Zoom account. I didn't realize Zoom had changed. Zoom used to be a lot more generous. And now yeah, they're quite stingy and cut you off after like a few words. Um, but yeah, next time I'll have a longer one. So yeah, but just saying, just reiterate, the OSIS was built to simplify technology, because Web 3 was very flaky and it's not very robust, and it's getting better now, but it's still like I say, the Phantom wallet, it kind of takes ages to load. Like I load, sometimes it times out, and they get when it interface the NFT wallet, the NFT minting process into the Phantom wallet, it's like just sat there waiting there, linking wallet, connecting wallet, and it's nothing I can do that because literally I've spent ages and ages trying to make it more robust. But once it goes into the black box, into the API, if you're a developer, you know what I mean. You can't fix other people's bugs if it's flaking, and you can't go into the code and start changing it. So Oasis basically does the best it can with the Web4 wrapper around it. That's why I created this to try to make it more easy to use and make crypto more usable. And so basically bring the Web2 UX UI experience that we saw for the Portal demo I just did, with blockchain underneath. It's blockchain, holochain, which is Web2 and Web3. It's basically a Web4 wrapper layer over it. That was my vision for the races, making it usable, um, uniting the Web2 cloud databases, blockchain together. It's basically you look at the main website, you see it's a torus. I guess if you guys seen that, I'll just share my screen again quickly. Um, then I'll take some more questions. One sec. Share screen. Then I'll shut up again. Do you guys see this diagram? So that's basically ways, all Web 2 and 3, all the data, all of our data being sucked up into the torus. It's kind of unifying that data, and then it gets expanded out into the omniverse, into the cosmos, which is the cosmic API and the star omniverse, which is basically expressing that data in a cyberspace ontology, basically. And that's the star API, Web5 API. And inside there is the Web4 API. Yeah, explains it there. Yeah, so any more questions, everyone? Sorry, I rambled on a bit. I just Eddie asked me a question. I thought it was important to talk about that part. Oh, is that it? It was a very short part, this one.
Thank you so much. This was really informative and interesting. I appreciate your time.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for coming. Yeah, and yeah, I think if anyone's got any more questions like now or just for a wrap up, or if not, like just I will post on X, yeah, X.com or Telegram group. All the links are on the bottom of the websites. Uh, every single one of the websites got community. So you've got the links here of X and Telegram, Discord. I don't check Discord as much as I should. I should do, but best place is probably X or Telegram. Um, yeah, and questions, and then yeah, tomorrow, yeah, I basically I'll be opening a minting later today, hopefully to people on a wait list, and then tomorrow publicly to the founders and NFTs. And yeah, and there will be more NFT campaigns in the future. I think I've got one called True Believers want to come out next, but the founders is more premium. Basically, long people wait to invest in their races. Obviously, the perks get less and less because the founders is the biggest. The early, people who are earliest get the biggest rewards. Basically, who have the biggest faith. But I hope you can see this isn't early, really. It's early, but it's not early. I've been building this for 10 years, but it's massive. It's a massive amount of work. I hope you see it's not just vaporware. All this has been launched and done. You see that the whole roadmap here from 2010 actually started. Um, so yeah, it's not like a just started basically. Yeah, so you're investing into yeah, not only now in the future and into 10 years of hard work with proven APIs. All these demos have been running on APIs. The Doom Crate demos you've been watching the videos, our demo, they're all live demos. And there's six other apps built on top of it, like you saw. And there's also I just wrap up that last bit actually because I didn't show that part. If people have any more questions, so I'll wrap up after that. Yeah, when it talked about the heart-based stuff, that was at the beginning, so you guys can watch the first parts. Oh, Gracebook is basically it's just like Facebook, that's all Gracebook, but a conscious Facebook. So good, doing good things and helping people who get karma, but be bad actors and abusive and all these bad things you get on social media, you use karma. So basically incentivizing to be good and to talk about Noah's Ark, good in that work. One World is the MMORPG sister game of Our World, is what it started off with, was My World and what I was saying earlier, the Minecraft kind of game, but benevolent to help create a better world. Got an ODAO, which is a conscious DAO, karma based. So basically, in our world and Oasis, karma is the currency, not money. You can't pay to win. You can't pay to get ahead. It doesn't reward whales. I can't. I can't speak. It's a bit of a speech impediment, so that's how you knows. I struggle with my R's and W's sometimes. But the whales and the miners and centralize the power. The whole point of blockchain was to take to get away from the banks and the central banking system. And but then the power has just been centralized with the miners and the whales. And the whole point of races in our world is not based on money, it's based on karma. The karma is how you get ahead in the games and systems. So, and anyway, karma is to be doing good, helping animals, helping the environment, being healthy, improving your life, like I talked about in the earlier parts. Um, and these are different parts of the races. And engine, what was it? Let's say, uh, what was I going to say now? Sorry, I've got a bit ADHD, so I'm sure it was important. It'll come back to me. But I think it's one of these apps I was going to show you, but I forgot. Oh yeah, um, this is a self trust. So this is completely built on the races as well. Um, so I won't go too much into this, but this is like example of the single sign-on system. So I'm logged in here, so you can build your own things, and all this is open source. So you can look in the code. It's using the npm packages. Um, so it's using single sign-on. It's using the data API. These are all holons. So when you go into the portal, you can actually see these holons of the tasks you started creating. And it's linked to the Web6 API as well. And so it has a thing called Lila, which you was talking earlier, and this is using um, yeah, Web6 API for Lila. Should come back with something. So this is a live demo of the AI, because I showed everything else. So you've seen the SSOs and the 4s and the 5, and now this is the AI. If I go in here, see, um, yeah, using these ones right now. Lead is basically like a spiritual guide, like training spiritual data, more conscious. And these are the Web6 features. So if you boot with Web6 and then use the Holonic Braid reasoning graph or the farm factor adaptive Holonic reasoning network. But all this is on the website, so I can ramble on. But these are all live demos. So it's all here. So this has all been so technology is proven. And you can download Doom and Quake. You saw from the Oportal. Yeah, yeah. People have to go now. So yeah, need to think I should eat. Yeah, and here are the demos here. You can check out. So yeah, anything else? Just send me questions after. Great to hear from you. And then just I know there's a lot of information on websites, but it's definitely worth your time. And yeah, you'll be presently rewarded hopefully. All right, love you lots, everyone. Yeah, any more questions, just send me them on Telegram or on Instagram. Oh, the service has joined, and this service got a question just about to end now, so it just caught me at the end. Got any questions? Take them now, or we'll take them offline, and then I can answer them then. No, at least you got my scrambled egg. I at least you had two mouthfuls of. I'm not even hungry. I don't know. I'm just running on adrenaline. I think and love something. Um, yeah. Okay. So if no more questions, I don't see any questions. Uh, just check the chat. See anything. So yeah, okay. Yeah, wrap up now. Then. Thanks everyone, and love you lots. And yeah, I'll see you next time. And yeah, look out for it. And if you want to invest in an NFT tomorrow, it'd be most appreciated. The money goes to saving the planet, the doggies, the cats, healing the planet, clean up the litter, um, and creating a better world and educating people how to take care of themselves, animals, healing people and stopping wars. So, small things. If you want to be part of that, you most appreciate, or might know someone who will be interested. If so, just share the links, and yeah, we really appreciate it. Great, love you lots. Thank you. Bye. Till next time, I'll do another video soon. Be more complete with how to end this. So I haven't used Zoom for a while. Yeah, also,